Today we'll be taking a look at a $50 budget keyboard kit sent over by techt. They will be selling it in two variants, the PCB standalone and the kit. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit. First up, some instructions. And you have your CM64 keyboard kit. It comprises of a FR4 plate with a little bear design at the bottom. You have your plate foam, which is included. Your CM64 PCB. It is a hot swappable PCB with south-facing keys, a Type-C socket, per Key RGB lighting plus underglow, supports screw-in stabilizers, and is compatible with GH60, DZ60 and GK61 cases. The kit also comes with clip-on stabilizers, however they sent me a set of Durock V2 stabilizers, so instead we'll be using those. They also included a silicone dampener for me. Your kit wouldn't have this. To start off with the silicone dampener, I had to mark out the screw holes so that I will be able to screw in the case. Now that we're done with that, we can move on to our stabilizers. I'll be lubing it with Krytox 205 Grade 0, so here's a quick sound comparison between the clip-on stabilizers and the Durock V2 stabilizers. If you have the extra budget, I would definitely recommend upgrading to the Durock V2s. They are one of the best stabilizers out there and make your keys feel more stable. Now that we're done with our stabilizers, we can proceed to throw on our plate foam and our plate. They give really clear instructions for those installing switches as a beginner. Otherwise, I'll be going with milky yellows. They are your budget go-to switches if you're a linear fan like me. Oh, and I loop them with Krytox as well. For our keycap set, I decided to go with a nice budget option, which is your Echo laser switches. I think they will look really good with the transparent see-through case. Alright, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you techt for this opportunity to review the keyboard. I was not paid to say this was good or anything, so in my opinion, this keyboard is really worth the price. The PCB is going to be sold at $34 US. As for the kit, it's going to be $50 US. In your kit, you'll receive the PCB, the plate, stabilizers, and case foam. If you want the add-on steps and the silicone dampener, you're going to have to add it on by yourself. If you guys are interested, you can go and check out their store. They're based in Malaysia, so they have a Shopee site and they have a universal website, which I will link down below. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually doing a giveaway. You can check out my previous video on how to enter the giveaway. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and click the like button, comment what your thoughts on this keyboard, subscribe if you like keyboard content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.